Hello everyone. Every recommendation you'll hear in this video comes straight from specialized technicians at this well-known appliance workshop, so we're going to solve this issue together. The E30 error in a Bosch dishwasher always catches our attention in the workshop because it's not a fault you see every day. Some customers tell us that their machine was working normally, but suddenly it stopped, and E30 appeared on the display, leaving dishes half-washed. This tells us that the dishwasher detected something unusual in its electrical system or in the internal communication of the control board and decided to protect itself. Bosch is very cautious with its electronics. When reviewing these cases, many customers mention that just before the error, the dishwasher was behaving oddly. Sometimes it didn't heat water properly or would suddenly shut off during the cycle. Workshop technicians explain that this usually happens when the control board receives unexpected signals, either from voltage fluctuations, electrical spikes in the house, or even loose internal connections. One customer said, "Everything seemed fine, but after a storm, E30 appeared and it wouldn't start again," which is a classic example of how the power supply can confuse the system. On the other hand, it's not uncommon for the machine to operate normally for several cycles, and then show E30. This often occurs when internal wires are slightly loose or an electrical contact is corroded. In the workshop, we always check the connections around the control board and sensors, because even a wire that looks fine can send erratic signals the machine interprets as a serious fault. At the same time, some customers mention that they tried restarting the dishwasher several times without success. Technicians explain that a quick restart isn't always enough because the board needs a full power cut to reset its internal values. Turning off the power for about 15 minutes and then turning it back on can clear a temporary fault, but if the error reappears, the cause lies higher up in the electrical system or in the electronics themselves. While examining E30 in the workshop, we also note that this error is not related to mechanical issues like blocked drains or dirty filters, even though customers often think cleaning the filter will fix everything. Technicians always emphasize that, in this case, cleaning filters or checking pumps will not make E30 disappear because the machine is reporting a communication or power issue, not a water problem. Additionally, we've observed that power surges in the house or installation can affect the control board, causing errors that wouldn't appear under normal conditions. Some customers tell us that after electrical storms or outages, their dishwasher displayed E30 and wouldn't start until the power supply was checked. This shows that the error can be as much about the electrical environment as it is about the machine itself.